everybody, welcome back to the show. We do a little sound clip on my RS so you guys hear what it sounds like stock. Sam, make your handicap ass useful and hold the clutch real quick. Actually, you have to put it in neutral.
I can do that.
Can you? Let's see this. Look at this guy. Can you do it? Nope. Nope. Nope.
Hold on.
There we go. Neutral.
Let's edit it out to neutral.
Alright, let's get a little sound clip. Ready?
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? Today, guess what we're putting on? Not my sling, but a Yoshi slip-on. Bam! Made in the USA. Now, for those of you who don't know about Yoshimura, pretty awesome company. They sell like fender eliminators and slip-on exhaust and full systems. They usually do Japanese bikes since it's a Japanese company. But in this case, we will do it on the 2020 Street Triple RS. If you want to know how to install them, we'll put the PDF description in. If you want to know how to install them, we'll put the link of the PDF file in the description below from Yoshi on how to do it exactly. Got Juan's fat ass on the floor trying to do it. I'll give you an exhaust clip at the end. But so far, you pretty much have to take the heat shields off, a few nuts and screws, and then you just basically a slip-on, so it's plug and play. Nothing too difficult. Right, Juan?
Yeah.
He said, yeah.
Bolt on this side, bolt on the other side, and then 2 bolts on the exhaust, and then it should pop right out. And then a clamp that connects the mid pipe to the slip-on. That should be it.
We are extremely detailed. We're not the people for you to come to see how to do it. The reason why I picked Yoshi is because I think for the price, it offers great value. Now, Yoshi doesn't tell you how much power and torque you get, but we might dyno it and see the difference. I'll test ride it after to see the difference of how it rides with the Yoshi compared to the stock pipe. But you'll definitely get more power. It'll be a lot less back pressure. So it's supposed to sound glorious. I kind of wish Triumph didn't put the really nice carbon fiber on the tip of the exhaust, because a lot of people change the exhaust. I really wish that this carbon fiber right here would have been somewhere like on the engine or on the tank, or somewhere where people usually don't change, and it would have been, you know, kept there forever. Stock exhaust doesn't sound too bad, but trust me, with this Yoshi, it's gonna sound like an F1 car.
A few moments later.
Super easy to take this thing off. Just 2 screws on one side, clamp in the middle, screw on the clutch side, and that's pretty much it. Comes right off.
That thing literally just basically fell right off. It was so quick and easy. Honestly, it was much easier than when I did the Indian Scout Bobber. The Indian Scout Bobber was a pain in my butt. This fell out. It basically just fell out.
Massive.
It was so quick.
Let's see how the Yoshi looks. Time for the unboxing. Hold on, let me get up. I'm crippled. Yeah, making those oil changes noises again.
I think I have one on me.
All right. All right, put the box down.
Do a picture of this. Send it to my boy, who works at Second Gear. He's been asking me, like, when can you have Yoshis?
Bam.
You do a picture?
No, I don't think you can freeze the timer.
Are you recording?
Hold on.
It?
Yeah, you can just freeze the video and screenshot right here. Bam. Perfect. You look stupid and pale.
This would be the cover.
What's the name of these again?
The Alpha T's.
Alpha T's, guys. If you put the link in the description below. Oh, that's a street triple right there. Street series. Well, move your goddamn fat hand. Street series. It's the item number. But we'll leave the link for these in the description below if you have a street triple and want to put these beasts on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go.
It's not a cardboard.
It's like Christmas. Yeah, this is the mid pipe. It's gonna connect the. This is gonna connect the slip-on to the mid pipe. Little tool, I'm guessing. Oh, it's like the insert actually, the DB killer. I'm debating if I should put it on or not.
Put it on.
You said I should put it on?
Yeah. Because what if it sounds different if you don't put it on? It sounds amazing with it.
What if it sounds like crap with it?
Nah, the YouTube video we saw from Yoshimura sounds like a fighter.
I don't know if they had the DB killer on.
No, they have to.
No, they don't. They put in a couple of videos where they.
They don't put it on.
There are some videos where they say they don't put it on, but I don't know if they. I think they had a DB killer in it. I mean,
isn't that for emissions?
It's for sound, like California and all that shit.
Oh, okay.
DB decibel. Do you not know your sounds? Your initials?
Nope.
There it is. Oh, damn it! It freaking
Comes like an iPhone. Glued to the...
There we go. There we go. Whew.
Ooh, look at that.
Yoshimura Alpha T's.
Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. All right, cool.
Let's open this bad boy up. Man, I am so excited for this. I cannot wait.
It looks really nice. Oh, wow! Look at that.
Man,
Wait, flip it my way. Look at that,
Look at
guys.
that. That carbon
Beautiful
fiber is
carbon
clean.
fiber here and here. Let's see the inside of the pipe. This side. Oh, look at that. That's super clean. All right. Let's see how it's gonna sound.
Oh.
What else do you get in the box besides that? What
What's
are
this?
in those two things?
Yeah, we gotta
that-
figure clean my fingerprints from all the grease. Fuck!
That's not a...
Got a little boo-boo. They even provide quality staples. Look at that shit.
They cut you right open if you disrespect them.
God damn. That shit hurt, dude.
I'm surprised they stapled it like that.
Right? What happened to tape? Yeah.
Hey, careful, you threw that shit on my bike over there.
Huh.
With my luck, it's gonna give me like a flat tire. My bike just came back today. That's disgusting, Juan. My
Hey.
bike came back today from the dealer because the exhaust was leaking. And now something with the shifter is leaking, so it's going right back on Tuesday. I am not kidding. Every time I get this bike back from fixing a leak, it comes back leaking somewhere else. The dealer said they're sorry. So
Really?
yeah, he's like, I'm very sorry you're having so many issues with it. This bike almost has 500 miles on it, and only 200 miles have been put on by
you know I gotta slap some of those things. That's 500 horsepower, 5 horsepower a pop.
all over the bike.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They're going all
That's
over the
30
gas tank.
horsepower, dude. Oh man, I can't wait to slap these on.
All over the gas tank. It's gonna trigger a lot of people that hate stickers on gas tanks.
I don't want the gas tank. I put on the frame. The
Put
problem with the frame is that the frame is not flat like other bikes are. It's like
Well, the
very
frame,
gradient.
the frame might get hot, so then it'll just peel right out.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Anyways, what else? Hurry.
Alright, so there. These are
Oh, you get a new
spring.
clamp.
Yeah, it's a new clamp. And then the spring to keep the to help give the slip-on more support with the, I guess, their mid pipe, and it mounts right there.
Cool. There's the old one. Looks hideous.
What? Is this more stickers? More power?
No.
No.
It says do not discard though, so read the back. On my side.
Before and after, okay. Oh, okay. Let's save that. says this, they say to save this. All right, so
Instructions.
oops, I already ripped it.
Alright guys, we'll be back.
All right.
See how long it takes.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we're about to put in the finishing touches. This thing is super easy. To take off the stock and put this one back on, it should not take you more than, seriously, 20 to 30 minutes. That's how easy it is. So simple. The Yoshi slips on super smooth, super quick. Let me see if I can get a look. Oh, Juan almost died. Like an idiot.
Okay, try it again.
Why are you doing that? Isn't it tight enough, you idiot?
I don't know why I did it again. I said let's try it again and I did it again. God dang it.
That's tight enough now.
It's just...
That's fine, Juan. That means it won't tighten anymore, you ape.
That's 3 times.
Yeah, you're a moron. You deserve that one. You deserve the last 2. Look, guys, let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Bam! That looks super lovely. Super lovely. Got some of Juan's fingerprints on it, but other than that, really, really clean. You can see the space where the old one was at. See that big box? This one is just straight through. Plug and play, really. Super easy. I can't wait to see how this thing sounds, guys. Changes the looks of the bike completely. Look at that. Looks absolutely beautiful. And the fit and finish of the Yoshi looks superb. Worth every penny. And we're gonna find out if it's worth every penny after we turn it on and test ride it. See how big of a difference it is from the stock. There's an option where you can put the little silencer in there. We just left that out, so it should be as loud as it gets, really. I'm hoping it sounds like an F1 car. Alright, Juan, you almost done?
No.
Just a clamp?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna put everything else back on, right? The
Yep.
heat shields and stuff? Okay, guys, a few more minutes and get it turned on.
Actually, after the clamp, I'll turn it on.
Okay, actually, yeah, that sounds good. The heat shields will go in after, that's pretty much it. But this is the last step, an installation, and then you can turn it on. You're supposed to leave it on for 15 minutes so it can integrate and everything will be good. One already has 1,500 miles on the bike. 1,500 miles. And it hasn't even been a season yet. How long? July, August. I've had this for like 2.5 months. Picked it up the same day as we picked up the leaky monster. I feel bad for this bike though. Every time it goes back, something's wrong. I still love it though. I still truly love it. I just hope it will stop leaking. I'm just cursed with bikes. I can't wait to have her back for good, or see what Triumph will do. Anyways, the ape is done, so time to turn this on.
Where's the wet one at? Right here, right here.
All right. All right. All right, all right, all right.
Yeah, with heavy grease now.
Just turn it on. No one cares about your grease. Here we
dude,
go.
I am so
Here we go.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Imagine it blows up.
Bro, don't play with me like that.
The one essential. Here we go. Silence.
Oh, God.
Wow, that sounds good. Night and day difference between the stock one.
What, an S1000? Oh, aren't those like 15? No,